Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mikhail if you're new here. So I'm going to give you guys my first impression of this Revlon barrel waiver. It is a huge trend on social media, so I'm just going to give you the full tea, like the full impression of what I think about this, and let's go into the video. So I'm really excited for this review. I have seen this trend all over social media, and I'm not the kind of person that hops on the trend, but I love doing my hair. I love to try different styles, so I thought, why not give this a shot? This is like that beachy mermaid hair. Everyone, has those waves, and it can look very natural and effortless. And I usually just do big waves, but I kind of wanted to try something different. So one of the YouTubers that I really enjoy watching, she mentioned her waiver that she uses, and so I actually bought it. I bought the Revlon Jumbo Waiver. It's huge. You can imagine how huge this is. And this is the 3-barrel waiver, and this one wasn't like super expensive as like the other one that's like the top waiver. This was probably $25, I think, compared to like $40. And I'm really excited to give this a shot and see if it will actually give me the mermaid wave that I really want to try. So let's do this. Oh my gosh, guys, this is huge. Look how big this is. And like it has a clamp here. Wow. So let me read the instructions. I don't really want to mess this up, and let me just read the instructions. Oh, this is interesting. I didn't realize that there were different hair types. So there are different heat levels, and like if you have fine thin hair, your heat level is like 1 to 6, and then wavy to medium is 7 to 14, thick hair is 15 to 22, coarse hard to style hair is 23 to 30. Oh, that's interesting. I like that. I like that it's universal, that everyone can use it and feel comfortable. So Revlon, you're doing a good job. Okay, so it says the barrel should heat up for 30 seconds. So that's nice. That's really quick. And so I guess if you have, depending on your hair type, if you have like fine hair, that's 5 seconds, you hold it down, and then up to 8 seconds for medium to coarse hair. Okay, that's easy. That's easy, guys. Let's do this. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on. This is what it looks like. So it's on, and it has different levels here. I'm gonna put it on, let's just put it on 20. Let's go for 20, and it's supposed to heat up in 30 seconds. So that's awesome. While it's heating up, I'm gonna section my hair to make it easier to use it. Okay, so yeah, it actually does heat up really quickly, which is a plus when you're, if you need to hurry up and do your hair. So let's try this thing. It's actually it's kind of hard to use because it's so big. So I think I'll just hold it this way. Oh gosh, this is huge. I'm like trying to hold it. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, it's not gonna work that way. We're gonna go like this. Go like this. Okay, so it says to like, I'll just do 10 seconds. 2, 9, 10. Okay, now I'm gonna gradually go down my hair. 1, 2. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, alright. Got like some waves going on there. Alright, not bad, not bad. Let's just keep going and see what the full head is gonna look like. Oh, those are cute. There's a cute little waves going on. Okay. So far, so good. This is pretty easy to use. It's just really hard to hold. Like I'm trying to clamp it down. That's the only negative. I mean, I did get a jumbo waiver, so that's the only thing that I personally find hard so far. But let's just keep going. Okay, so I'm done. I mean, you can see a few waves in there. Let's see, there's a couple of waves. I'll be honest, I'm really not feeling it. It didn't kind of a point. It didn't really give me the of mermaid effect that I was looking for. I mean, it's definitely like there's obviously some waves in it, but like I was expecting like more. It looks like I just rolled out of bed, which I thought it would. I don't know. There's no definition. Like I thought it'd be more definition into it, so I'm a bit disappointed with this. I'm not really feeling it. I mean, I don't know if it was the heat. Like I'm not really sure. Maybe it was just. This is my first time. Like I wanted to give you guys like a full-on first review of my impression of it, and I thought that maybe it's the heat, or maybe it was just how I was doing it. I don't really know. So I mean, I read the instructions, so I try to do it right, but I'll definitely give it a shot again and see if I can get that effect that I wanted. But right now I just definitely give it like, I don't know, maybe like a 4 out of 10. I give it like a 4 out of 10. So it's been actually about 3 days since I last filmed that clip. I really wanted to give this a full try. Like it didn't work for me the first time. So clearly, this is an experiment. So clearly there's something in the experiment that I need to change, some variable that I need to change. So either I have to like hold it down longer, or I just didn't have it on the right heat setting, So I'm just gonna try on a different heat setting. I had it on a 20. I'm gonna put it on 25. I'm gonna hold it down for 10 seconds, and then I'll see if it doesn't. If I need to hold it down longer, I will. But I think if I, obviously if I have it hotter, I don't think I should hold it down longer. I don't want to like fry my hair. Oh, also, I dyed my hair. It's blacker. it's darker. Let's start this. I really hope it works. I'm really excited about this. My sister actually used it, and she was saying new hair type, and she's like, yeah, it worked. I don't know why it didn't work for you. I'm like, what did you do differently? And she said she held it down for 30 seconds, and she didn't read the directions. And so I'm like, okay, so I need to either hold it down longer or just try a different heat setting. Change the variable, guys. So let's just get into this experiment and see if we can get some results, I'm gonna do the same type of, sections. I just took the medium-sized section last time. So I'm gonna do the same thing. And if I need to change the variable here, change how I do it, then I will. Alright, let's see if 25 will work. Oh my goodness, it worked. It worked! Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Yeah, I did not get this last time. I did not get that definition last time. Okay, so my dumb butt just had a different setting. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's just finish it. I'm excited to see the rest of this. So I just finished my whole head, and I love the results. You can see like the definition, like it compares to what last time. Like you can actually, like it didn't look like I just rolled into bed. It actually looks like it did something. I'm like really happy. You can see the definitions. So yeah, I was very skeptical at first. Obviously, it didn't work out for me in the first time. Here are my conclusions. If you do have like finer hair, like this is going to be an easy product to use. For those that have thick hair and just a lot of hair, this is going to be a little more of a challenge to figure out your setting. Based off of the instructions, it said I was in between a certain range, and so that's what I did. I went to 20 because I thought that was like, in my range. But obviously that wasn't right. And so I had to go to a different range, thinking that, I was just trying to go off the instructions. And so obviously, because I have so much hair and I have such thick hair, it'll take me some time to find my setting. And so now I realize like 25 is my setting. And so I think for those who do have my hair type, like just know that you're gonna have to experiment with your settings. And I guess this happens with a lot of girls with thick hair. We do always have to experiment. The only negative I would say about this product is that it doesn't give a correct heat setting. Other than that, this is actually really easy to use, and like I said, the functions are easy to use. You just turn it on and off, and it heats up in 3 seconds, which is really nice when you're just trying to run out the door. I did get used to holding the barrel, because at first it was really hard to hold it, but eventually you get used to it once you use the product more often. And so I'm like really happy with the results. I gave it a 4 when I first rated this product, but now I think I'll give it like a 7. I think a 7 is good. Like I think it's a good product. I think it works really well. It's easy to use, but it's trying to be universal, but I think that it's not quite hitting the mark, but that's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you guys like reviews, let me know and I'll try this again. Let me know if there's any products that you guys want me to try out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.